Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to invite people to your event on Google Calendar. So for you to invite people to your event on Google Calendar, make sure you are here on existing event on Google Calendar, or you can simply create a new one by just tapping on the date of the event, just like this. You can see, just click on this, which is 10th of September. Then I can easily navigate throughout and check time prompt for the event. You can see it's starting from 1 AM to 11 PM in the midnight. So I'm just going to place it around where the event is around 1 PM. Then just tap that on the date. Then once you tap on it, you have an option to add the title. So you want to invite guests to your event, just move down here under the guest option, then you add guests. You can easily add, if you have an existing email in the guest section, you can just easily click on any of those mails and have about 4 or 5 mails right here. Or if you want that, you can easily start another new mail from the scratch. Just include the mails, just like this. Just include this mail. Once you do that, then you add them to it. You can see, right? And once you can see, once you add it, then and decide if you want to give them the permission to see the guest list, or just modify it will get. So I see this particular person has been, I can see, and the organizer right here then is a special event. After that, then you click on save. That is how to invite guests on Google Calendar. Finally, like and follow. Thank you.